So today is finally the day. After what feels like ages, I was able to get a slot for my COVID vaccination. And if you couldn't already tell, I am really excited. So just like the rest of you, I had lost all hope. I was very enthusiastically trying to get myself a slot in the starting, I would say 2 weeks of May, after which I realized ये होने नहीं वाला है. But then yesterday night, I don't even remember what I was doing. I think I was just mindlessly watching some Netflix or YouTube when I got a notification from Get Jab, which basically is this service that alerts you when slots open up in your preferable pin code or area or district. I did not get to pick whether I wanted Covaxin or Covishield or all of these other vaccines available, even though these are the ones that are most readily available in India. But my parents got Covishield, a couple of my very close relatives got Covaxin, and both have worked out perfectly for me. Get whatever vaccine is available to you right now. Covishield was available. I booked my slot. I am going right now. I actually wanted to film this part last night, but then I had more adulty things to do. Like, I had to write to my manager like, hey, I'll start a little late. But they're pretty cool about it. They're also giving us a half day off today on our vaccination day. So that is pretty good. Kal maine chutti le li hai because from everyone that I've spoken to who's gotten Covishield a day late, you kind of might get like a mild fever. So if I'm being honest, I'm going into this fully mentally prepared that I'm gonna get like a fever-ish for maybe a day or two, some body ache and all that stuff. Please note that I already have like a crippling lower back pain for the past I don't know how many days. So that's the only symptom I'm going in with. I'm gonna go and eat a hefty breakfast because they're saying that your stomach should be well full, you should be well rested before you get your vaccine. And I'm gonna go eat. So see you.
Inside the Uber, it will take me less than 15 minutes maybe to reach the hospital and get my vaccine. I'm very excited. I feel like this is the most content creator thing I've ever done. But other than like wanting to create content for views and Hula, I think this also comes from a place of social responsibility, keeping in mind that so much of misconception and misinformation is going around with regards to vaccine. And this is my small little bit to change that. That being said, shout out to Air India for giving me this face shield. I kept it. Airport se aake ekdam side, dho ke, and now I'm using it for my vaccine. See you at the vaccination center.
It took me only 20 minutes to reach my vaccination center, which was Max Saket, and it is such a huge hospital. They have like 5-6 gates that I actually got lost in the first couple of minutes, but don't worry because I found my way very soon. It was at the complete end and I found it pretty quick. Got my token. It was 50 and this place was actually very well organized, guys. There was a great seating arrangement. People were socially distanced. It was very well organized, to say the least. I think after maybe 10-15 minutes of standing, I also got a seat to sit because I had to wait for 1 more hour before I could start my process for billing. I had picked Covishield, so that's the line I stood in. It was for 900 rupees. There was another line for Covaxin people, and I think that was for 1250 rupees. Yep, that's right. And soon after that, which was only a 5-minute process, getting the bill done, we were led by a person to our site. There were different rooms which were called sites. Mine was site 9, and I stood there probably for 2 minutes before my bari came for the vaccine.
After this, Hanji, you have to wait for 30 minutes to open the observation area. Okay. And after this, you cannot take any other painkiller except paracetamol. Okay. Press कर लीजिए रब नहीं करना. हाँ जी. हाँ. Okay. And कोई भी हॉट कोल्ड एप्लीकेशन अप्लाई नहीं करना इफ स्वेलिंग आता है तो अवॉइड कीजिएगा कुछ हेवी सामान ना उठाए. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट डोज आपका 84 डेज बाद लगेगा. इफ यू आर टेकिंग एनी अदर मेडिसिन प्लीज कंसल्ट करिएगा अपने डॉक्टर से पहले. ठीक है.
And just like that, my first shot of Covishield was done. I was on cloud 9, but I still had to wait in the observation area for 30 more minutes. This area too, just like outside, very well organized. Chairs थी, सब दूर दूर बैठे थे, बहुत बढ़िया. Then I took an auto and came back home. I am back home. I took a shower. My hair is still pretty wet, as you can see. I am feeling slightly lethargic and pretty sleepy right now. But honestly, I don't think that has anything to do with the vaccine. I just woke up very early today. I think about 6:30 or 7 in the morning, which is an hour I'm not used to waking up at. I just really feel like a nap would do me wonders right now, but what I am actually doing is checking my work email because lots of exciting stuff is happening on the work front. And even though aaj mera half day hai, like my company is cool enough and kind enough to give us all half days on the days that we're getting vaccinated, I still am working. No, nobody's asked me to. I love what I do a lot, but I really feel like I should probably take a nap because I can feel a very mild migraine setting in. I think I should probably put some more nutritious food or just normal food or juice or something in my system. And yeah, I can feel my eyes closing. Again, don't think it's because of the vaccine. I was also up till like 3 in the morning yesterday because there was a baby lizard in my room which I lost. I don't know where it is anymore. I'm just gonna quickly wrap up whatever I'm doing and eat some food and take a nap, and we'll see how I'm feeling in the evening. Coming at you at almost 9:40 on the day that I got vaccine. After I got back home, I was doing my office work as I told you guys, and since then I've just been napping and doing office work simultaneously. Like 1 hour I'll nap and 1 hour I'll do office work, and then vice versa. That's just how it's been for the past, I think, couple of hours, maybe 6-7 hours. I don't know why, but I'm just feeling really sleepy. Like my eyes just feel like they're closing and they're just sukhadoing, and I just want to sleep. But other than that, I'm not really experiencing any strong symptoms that a lot of people have after taking the vaccine. Let me tell you what all I am feeling though. First though, I'm feeling a little sleepy. Other than that, my body from within feels a little hot. I feel like there's a lot of warmth in my hands, like my palms, but I'm constantly going to my mom's room and bugging her, meko fever hai kya, meko fever hai kya. But every time like she's checking my fever or even recording it, I don't have a fever. I have perfectly normal temperature. It's just that I'm feeling really warm from within. But that's also something that happens to me every time I've gotten a fever over the past 23 years. It starts off like this, feeling feverish from within, and then eventually the temperature rises and I feel all of the other effects. But right now, no actual temperature, just feeling feverish, lethargic from within. About the soreness or the pain in my hand, a lot of people have complained saying that after the vaccine for a day or two they couldn't even lift their hand, but I'm not really experiencing anything like that. After I take my hand over here, like if I'm trying to tie my hair or take it off or something, the exact pinpoint where I got the vaccine hurts a little bit. But that being said, it's very mild pain, very tolerable pain. It's not hurting a lot. Maybe tomorrow morning I will wake up with a really bad fever and a lot of pain. God knows what will happen. But right now, I'm feeling really fit and fine. I am constantly trying to either have juice or water and just obviously eating so that my migraine doesn't kick in. And nothing else. The vaccine will not elicit this strong reaction from everyone's body. Everyone's body is different, everyone's immunity is different, their body buildup is different, and everything is different. So while some may have very strong reactions to the vaccine, some may have none. That is no measure or parameter to judge the efficacy of the vaccine, so please don't try to do that. Don't think कि अरे मेरे को तो फीवर नहीं हुआ, मेरे को एंटीबॉडीज बने कि नहीं बनी, ठीक है. सेकेंड शॉट के बाद प्रॉपरली बनेगी. एक्चुअली फर्स्ट शॉट में एंटीबॉडीज नहीं बनती हैं जहाँ तक मुझे पता है. आई डोंट थिंक सो. एक्चुअली आई डोंट नो. फैक्ट चेक मी ऑन दैट. I don't know what I'm talking about. But just saying that if you have gotten the first shot and you think you're some He-Man, no. You need to take your second shot, and even after that, please wear masks, please social distance. That being said, I think I'm just gonna go to sleep, dude. Like, I just got done with a bunch of meetings. I had a lot of meetings today. Today was a great day for me. This vlog's getting really long. I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, bye. Mwah.
I spoke too soon. Okay? I have not been able to get out of bed. I really thought, like today when I woke up, that once I start feeling better today, that I'm gonna, turn on the camera, my DSLR, and I'm gonna, take a little clip to tell you guys what's up. But I just haven't felt good in like however many hours it's been, like 11, 12, 13, I don't know how many hours it's been since I woke up. So last night I slept after the update I gave you guys. Then I woke up feeling like I was sleeping on a hot plate at about 4:30 in the morning. It felt like my bed had fumes coming out because of how hot the bed was. That's how I felt when I was still asleep and still unconscious. But then when I woke up at 4:30, I realized it was because I had a really bad fever. And other than that, I had a splitting headache. Okay, like I've had pretty bad migraines. This one was up there. I really wanted to take a paracetamol at 4:30 when I woke up. But the thing is, I didn't know कि पेट भरा होना चाहिए या नहीं when you're taking a paracetamol, so I didn't end up doing that. I somehow convinced myself to go back to sleep, and then I woke up today morning at I think 8:45 because I had 2 meetings back to back from 9 to 10:30. Now the thing is, these 2 meetings I could have very easily rescheduled. And nobody would have been mad at me. I didn't have to attend them. But yesterday when I got the invite for these 2, I was like, yeah man, इतना क्या ही बुरा लगेगा मुझे कल. Like let me just, छुट्टी तो मैंने ले ही रखी है. I have an off today, by the way. I've taken a comp off. But I was like, it's okay, I can attend like 1.5 hours of meetings. That's fine, I'll go right back to sleep. But only I know how I've attended those 2 meetings. It is the most awful I have felt in a long time. And since then, the whole day I have just been sleeping on this bed. I literally have not been able to get up. I wasn't able to get up to film this clip either. My hand hurts constantly. Like it's not a lot of pain, but it's constant, moderate pain. So after a point that just like irritates you. Other than that, I've been having on and off fever. After I finished my meeting, I had a very quick chai paratha breakfast, and then I took a Crocin 650, which is paracetamol. And uske baad, for like the next 2-3 hours, I think, my headache was gone, my fever was gone. I was feeling really good. Then मैं दोपहर में सो गई because lethargy is at max. And we're gonna put you here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna eat some watermelon. Sorry, you guys have to bear with this. I'm not well, like literally not well. अभी मैं हांडी भर के वाटरमेलन खाऊंगी, उसके बाद मैं पैरासीटामोल खाऊंगी, उसके बाद मैं थोड़ा 2-3 घंटे जगूंगी 10 बजे तक अराउंड, ताकि मैं रात भर शांति से सो सकूं. Oh God, my phone's on low battery. Okay, see you.
Hello, coming at you from day 3. I woke up today morning with no symptoms. Honestly, okay, no, I'm not gonna say with no symptoms because my hand still hurts, but it's so mild, and if you're doing something else, it won't hurt. And when you just, think of it or try to concentrate, very mild pain. Trust me, ज़्यादा दर्द नहीं हो रहा है. With regards to the fever and the headache, I can very happily say I have none of it. I'm so happy. I think for me the headache was way worse than the fever, and also lethargy. As I told you guys yesterday, I was not able to get out of bed the whole day. But today, as you guys can see, I'm out of my bed. This is the drawing room. I'm having chai, sitting with my parents. They're here. Say hi.
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 Yeah, I'm so happy I got my first shot. My parents got both of their shots, so that is great. And all of y'all who actually responded on my Instagram when I asked what day after your COVID vaccination did you start feeling better, a lot of y'all said day 3 or day 4. So props to you guys, you are absolutely right. Day 3, I'm feeling perfectly fine. If you were hailing from Bombay or Lucknow respectively, there are 2 creative friends of mine named Magali and Ishita who have also gotten their shots and vlogged their experience. I'm going to link both of their videos, again reiterating, from Bombay and Lucknow in the description, because you might just get to know some extra information about the vaccination, about the symptoms that they had and I didn't, and what the facilities are looking like in those 2 states and those 2 areas. So I hope this video helped you guys. Cheers to you. I'm having wonderful chai. And get vaccinated ASAP, okay? Like, I don't know what it takes. Stay up at 4 a.m, stay up at 5 a.m, book as many get jab notifications as you can, but get your slot and get vaccinated, because that's the only way I see us defeating this. Signing out. See you soon. Stay safe.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath. Power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've rest her. Hey, I'm thinking I should've rest.